Johnson Smith says the JLP is looking into feedback from its candidates regarding allegations of improper conduct by the PNP. There are at least 2 videos circulating on social media showing persons recording a video of themselves marking the ballot at the polling booth inside the polling station on election day. In one of the videos, a person can be seen recording the marking of the X beside the name of the PNP's candidate in central Clarendon. The individual holds up the ballot to make their voting decision clear to the camera. The person then folds the ballot and takes it to the presiding officer, who tears a strip from it before placing it inside the ballot box. Johnson Smith says despite the allegations of voter fraud, the bodies that observed the last Wednesday's election have delivered positive reports.
Jamaica's electoral processes and our tradition of peaceful transition of power, they continue to be models for developed and developing countries alike, and should therefore remain a source of pride for all Jamaican people, even as we know that there is always room for improvement and that we should always be vigilant.